Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss very important topic. So as you know that there are lots of confusion about the Windows on load and document.ready. Many times you have seen that most of the people are using but they don't know actual definition, and sometimes interviewer ask these things and they are unable to answer because both these things are look similar. So today I am going to talk about these things basically. So here I am this is the series basically where I am talking about advanced JavaScript. Basically it's vanilla JavaScript, but most of the times people are using a jQuery and these things are very common. That's why I am going to discuss. I will also discuss how you can write the same code in the vanilla JavaScript, because in the vanilla JavaScript, if you want to achieve this functionality, means whatever you are doing in the jQuery, then how you can do that. So all these things I am going to cover in this particular video. So this video is very important. Don't miss this video. It's my recommendation that please watch this video till the end so that you can get good amount of knowledge and good knowledge about the Windows on load and document.ready. So whenever someone will ask, then definitely you will be able to give the answer. So before going to understand with the example, let's talk about some of the point about the document.ready and Windows on load. So first point is for the document.ready. It means it will not wait for image to be loaded. So it is one disadvantage, means if your requirement is to do certain action after image load, then this is not right fit for you. Then you need to use windows.onload. In this case $document.ready, in this case this will not wait to image to be loaded. Okay, it means that once HTML will be parsed and their tree will be prepared, then in that case that event will be called, which is the document.ready. Okay, so here image is not included, so image will not load, might not load, but it will be fired. Now another point is that used to execute JavaScript when the DOM is completely loaded but event handles there. Okay, same thing as I said that used to execute JavaScript when DOM is completely loaded. Then a third is that can be used multiple times. So whenever you want, you can use multiple times, but this event will only be called when the DOM will be completely load, excluding images. And now third is that not use if you want to manipulate image, use $windows.load. So $windows.load, it is also a jQuery code. It means when you want to manipulate something after image load, then instead of using $document.ready, you can use $windows.load. Okay, so these are the few points, and one slide is also there, so let's move quickly. So let's look at another slide. Actually the same thing what we have discussed earlier, which is the as I said that $document.ready is a jQuery event. jQuery's $document.ready method gets called as soon as the DOM is ready, which means that browser has parsed the HTML and built the DOM tree. This allows you to run code as soon as document is ready to be manipulated. Okay, so as I said that when we are calling that DOM is ready, it means that browser has parsed HTML and built a DOM tree. Okay, so here the images will be not be included because image will take some time to load. So let's try to understand these things in action. So let's move to our code editor. Okay, so now I'm going to create another HTML file. That file will be there, means I will try to show you the example of the document.ready and Windows on load. So let's create. So here I am created one file which is the document ready and load.html. Basically you can also find this code on the GitHub. So I will try to put this GitHub link so that you guys can see the code. So it's very simple. So let's try to write some HTML. Since I have already written something here, so I am going to copy from here and I will remove unwanted element. So now this script I am going to remove from here because I will try to explain from the phrase, and this will also, this is not required. Here I am going to write some heading so that you can understand for what purpose this HTML page is. Make sure you include a jQuery in your HTML page because jQuery is required in order to know about the Windows on load and the Windows on ready, because this functions, this code is comes from the jQuery. It's very important. I will also try to show you the same thing using the core vanilla JavaScript, because our series is to understand the core vanilla JavaScript. So don't worry about it. So first and foremost I am going to talk about the jQuery. So let's do it. So now I have written some code here, which is the dollar document. Dollar is comes from the jQuery. So dollar document dot ready, it means this will be called when the document will be ready. So execute when HTML document is loaded and DOM is ready. Okay, HTML document is loaded, not all the images here. And the second one is to Windows on $Windows on load, because this function will call when the Windows is loaded including images. $Windows on load, this will call when all the page will be loaded including all the frames, objects and images. So let's write. So now I am going to include some of the image so that you can understand properly. So let's include some images here. Since we are using a bootstrap, so we can use their classes. So let's use the bootstrap classes here. So let's try to find out some classes for the image, because this will make the web page responsive, because we don't need to write the CSS and all this stuff, because all are the ready-made and already written in the bootstrap, so we can use that. So let's go to the getbootstrap.com. Here we will find some images. So now right now I'm going to use these images, so just I'm copying, and here I'm just closing this, and I will use these classes basically here, and similarly I will use the second one. Now everything is looks fine. We need to run this code, so let's go to our file. Now I am going to load this, so I will open this in the browser. So let's open with the Chrome. So as you can see, we have did alert in the document.ready and at the windows.load. So let's see that which alert comes first. So you can see here that document is ready. It means that all the HTML is parsed and the tree is populated on the browser. So it means document is ready excluding images and other frames and other objects. So let's OK. And the second alert says that after all the images are loaded, then this windows is loaded is called. Actually it's happening so quickly that you cannot identify that when our DOM is get ready and images is also loaded on the DOM. So let's again refresh it. 1 2. So as you can see that this is basically our code is working perfectly fine using the jQuery basically, but same thing we can also do with the vanilla JavaScript. So let's move to the vanilla JavaScript and try to understand how you can do that. So now I am going to commenting these things, so let's comment, and so that it will be available on the GitHub. Now same thing we can write using a vanilla JavaScript. So instead of writing $document.ready something like that, we can use the document.add event listener DOM content loaded. So we will call these things. So now I am going to give the alert, and then here the windows.add event listener load. It means when the page is fully loaded including images. Same thing we can also write through the windows.onload. A page is fully loaded means windows.add event listener load. You can also write in this way. Otherwise you can also write windows.load is equal to event, means whatever event you want to pass. So you can also do these things. So for your example, I am going to, instead of writing below the document.add event listener document DOM content loaded, we will write it above this code so that you can identify the differences. Now let's try once again. Here document is ready, and okay, so as you can see that it is only fired one time because we have done here the console.log. So we need to move it to alert. Okay, so alert, otherwise I can also do only console.log. So now let's instead of writing alert, we can use a document.ready here. So I'm just copy and pasting here, comment it. So basically what will happen, that line by line code will be executed. So as you can see that windows.add event listener load, this will execute the code, and then this one, and then third this one. So let's check the console that which console is firing first. So just I am opening quickly the console. So let's refresh this page once again. So you can observe here that document is ready is first called. However, we have written it below the page is fully loaded. We are consoling at the last document is ready. So why it's called first? Because the document content loaded. It's called when the HTML DOM is get prepared. Their content is get prepared. It's excluding images, objects and frames, etc. And now after that Windows add event listener load is called. It means when the page is fully loaded, it means this is basically a page where all the images is get loaded, and then page is fully loaded is called. So as per our requirement, when we want to manipulate something after image to be loaded, then we can use here that windows.load. Okay, so you can see that windows onload or windows add event listener load, both are the same. In the JavaScript, in the vanilla JavaScript, we can prefer any one of them, and basically for document.ready we can use the document.add event listener DOM content loaded. So I hope that you understand all these things, and if you face any problem, definitely let us know. Thank you for watching.